Good morning, everybody. This is Patrick MontesDeOca with the early bird update for Tuesday, December the 3rd, 2019. To get right into it, we've recommended our subscribers this morning to take profits on the swing positions that we took that we're trading on the Triple X Velocity ETF nugget in the gold market. We carry a base position, but whenever we get a chance in markets like today to lock in some serious profits, we do that either by taking out the actual position or reducing the position, or by hedging it with dust, which is the bearish Triple X Velocity ETF. But we locked in about $9,330 this morning, net profit on Nugget, and we also day traded on a futures position, and we've locked in silver about $645 on an overnight trade. And we're going to take a look at where we are in the markets here in a minute, but I just wanted to share with you basically that this morning we've suggested our subscribers that have been following us, our traders that are long in the precious metals, that are long in mining shares, to take some profits off the table or to reduce the position to a hedge position at these levels. If we take a look at the chart in the gold market right away, we have completed weekly targets that you see on the right of the chart, basically. And in fact, market's gone up all the way up to test the trend line resistance, you might say, of this descending channel that we've been trading at. As you can see from here, the market accomplished that target by making a high of 1484.60. And pretty much coming back down, reverting back down under the weekly sell-to level of 1484. At this point in here, being that we have been long basically since about the 1454's areas, as you can see at the extreme below the mean on the daily level, we recommended our clients to load up here at 1462, which activated the weekly signal here, as you see on the right of the chart. And along with the daily signal at 1462, it gave us a very, very extremely high probability trade, which we call harmonic alignment, and that whenever we see the weekly and the daily align themselves almost at the same level, if not at the same level, it is the highest probability mathematically that we are going to see a reversion from this level back up to the mean, and also back up to the extreme above the mean of sell 1 and sell 2. One of the things that I do here basically is I use the supply and demand levels to trade the market. It doesn't really matter to me as a trader, self-directed trader, for day trading, for example, where what the big picture is, because I'm looking to capture short-term trades. And so I use the VC PMI structure, which is a composition of a perfect Fibonacci sequence of 5 levels, 5 pivot levels. We incorporate within those levels the algorithm in terms of identifying in color where the distribution of supply is. And as you can see here in the red 1, red 2 level, sell 1, sell 2 level seems to be indicating that we could experience certain levels of supply, certain supply come into the market. And so what you see here is basically the market accomplishing the targets, the price targets of the demand and supply. And as you can see here, the price coming up, regardless of the supply that's been offered up here, there has been enough buyers in here to overtake the offers that are being made, and enough that it met the target on the weekly of 1484. And so at this point here, this is a pause for us to lock in profits, as we have more than $10,000 here that we have profited today alone, not to mention the open trade equity that will be reflected on my profile. If you take a look at when the market is closed, you will be able to see the open positions that we are carrying and executing in real time, live streaming right here in the TikTok platform. Recap. We have taken some nice profits off the table. The VC PMI automated algorithm is suggesting for us at this point that we want to lock in some profits. We are in an area, major area of resistance, major area of distribution of supply. So we want to see the tug of war between supply and demand define basically the actual price levels that we should be trading at. Within that, for today's structure, it has been identified the average price to be at 1467, and we are trading at the extreme above the weekly sell 1 of 1478 and the sell 2 of 1484. Let's continue to watch this market here. I want to focus on the gold market as the leading indicator, you might say, to the precious metals mining shares, stocks, and derivatives, you might say, that we are trading within this sector. We'll take a look at some of this a little later on throughout the day, but let's see what the market continues to do here in this area of distribution of supply.
Are you looking for an automated artificial intelligence trading system? Do you want to analyze commodities and financial markets to determine when to buy and sell? Looking for an indicator to predict future trends in the commodities and financial markets? Welcome to EMA2 Trade Live Signals. Our variable changing price momentum indicator, VC PMI, is an automated AI trading system developed and tested over a decade. The VC PMI algorithm is based on age-old vortex mathematics combined with Fibonacci wave theory, trend analysis, pivot points, and several other widely accepted financial analytical methods. The VC PMI can help you take emotions out of your trading and rely on simple mathematics to predict future trends in financial markets. This approach will make your trading more effective, consistent, and profitable. VC PMI algorithm. The VC PMI code points and levels are support and resistance levels and behave exactly like any historical supply and demand level. Therefore, the VC PMI code levels are useful as an index tool for both day trading and for selecting and exercising entries and exits for longer-term traders. Why VC PMI? The VC PMI relies on artificial intelligence to analyze markets and predicts future movements, which seek to determine what a security or commodity is worth at a given point in time. The VC PMI uses technical analysis in the form of mean reversion trading, which seeks to capitalize on extreme changes in the pricing of a particular market based on the assumption that it will revert to its previous state. The VC PMI can be applied to both buying and selling, as it allows a trader to profit on unexpected upswings and save when security or commodity is trading at an abnormal level. Visit EMA2trade.com for more details.